Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Toyota Camry steering wheel. First, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental airbag deployment. Ensure your front wheels are straight and the steering column is locked. Gather all your tools, including a Torx bit set and a steering wheel puller, before you begin. This preparation makes the process much smoother. Now, let's tackle the airbag. You'll find two small access holes on the sides of your steering wheel. Gently insert a small flathead screwdriver into these holes to release the airbag clips. Once released, carefully pull the airbag module forward. Be sure to disconnect all its electrical connectors before setting it aside in a safe place, facing upwards. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Also, on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the airbag safely removed, it's time to detach the steering wheel itself. Use a socket wrench to loosen and remove the large center nut. Next, securely attach your steering wheel puller. This tool is essential for a smooth removal. Turn the puller's center bolt to gently separate the wheel from the steering column. It should come off with controlled effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.